everyone, welcome back. So today we are doing some meal prepping for the week for me and for my family. We are a family of 4, 2 adults and 2 kids. We have a 3-year-old and an almost 1-year-old, guys. I cannot believe Adam is almost 1 year old. He will be a year old in like 2 weeks, and he's eating like I eat. Like exactly like I eat, he eats. Anyways, let me show you guys what I have going on and what I have planned to do. You guys know, never fails, I always have my steel cut oats for my breakfast. In this pot I have some eggs. They are already boiled and I turned it off and I'm waiting about 10 minutes before I take them out. And back here I have some green beans that are steaming that are not quite ready yet. So here is my list of the things I'm making today. I did defrost some things and I prepped some of the broccoli already, so I don't need to do that today, but then everything else I still need to do. So in here I have about a pound of ground turkey cooking, and this we're actually going to use during the week to make some nachos and also a Taco Bell copycat homemade Crunchwrap Supreme and potentially some crunchy tacos as well. So this ground beef is going to last us for hopefully 3 meals. So we just use a little bit, not too much, so that it lasts us a long time. I might even add like extra stuff in it, like maybe some beans or something like that, just to make it last a little bit longer. You know what? I have pinto beans. I think I'm going to add that to this, but don't tell my husband, because if he hears that, he's not going to want to eat it anymore. So. So I'm going to start moving on with the carrots. I'm going to peel them and start chopping a couple, and these are going to be good for snacking throughout the week with some hummus or some kind of dip or something like that. So these are going to be for that.
Aren't you not supposed to tell me?
Nothing.
Look at me in my eyes.
What?
Don't tell my husband, or else he's not gonna want to do what? What?
I was talking about how you never let me go out.
Oh yeah, well.
It's a joke, guys. He tells me to go out. He tells me to leave him here. So the ground turkey is pretty cooked. So I'm going to throw in the beans. That might be enough. Yeah, I'm only throwing in about half of what I had. These are homemade beans, so they don't have too much. They don't have any salt actually at all. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some taco seasoning. I don't usually measure, which I probably should, but I don't. And then some water. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix it. I think I'm going to add a little bit more taco seasoning. There we go. That should be good. Perfect. And then I'm just going to let that cook up. done and I am separating it into 4 different containers so I can have it ready for breakfast time. Just pull it out and heat it up in the microwave. I'm just gonna set this on the side. I need you to be a little quiet because Adam is sleeping, okay, Michael? I'm just gonna go ahead and set this aside so they can cool down before I put them in the refrigerator. And then my carrots are all nice and peeled. Look how pretty that looks. That looks really pretty, actually. So I'm just cutting up some rotisserie chicken. I got this at Costco this weekend. And what I'm doing, I'm just gonna cut it up into small pieces so that this could be part of our lunch for the week, along with some superfood salad.
Listen to me.
Why? What happened? What did you tell Daddy? What is he saying? Why is he not listening to you?
Because I knocked on the door.
Oh, you're knocking on the door and he's not listening?
No.
Oh my gosh, Daddy. Daddy needs to listen, huh? This is the Eat Smart Superfood Selection Salad. This is from Costco. I think I paid like $4 or $5 for it. It was fairly cheap and it's a ginormous bag. Look, it's bigger than my head. Anyways, it has broccoli, green cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, chicory, dried cranberries, pumpkin seeds, and a dressing. I'm just gonna put the dressing on the side so that the salad doesn't get soggy. And then I'm just gonna put the chicken on top and it's gonna be delicious. A delicious lunch for the week and super easy, simple, and good. Salad looks like. So it's the salad, chicken, all the cranberries, the pita chips, not the pita chips, the seeds, and then the dressing. And yeah, so I made 6 of them and that's going to be enough for 3 days for 2 adults. Plus we have a little bit of leftover for some salad today along with some chicken too. So my eggs have been sitting in like super cold water for a while now, so I'm going to go ahead and start peeling them. We'll see how they turn out. My eggs are either really good or they're horribly bad. There's like no in between. I can't wait until I can get a pressure cooker so I can cook my eggs in there. Because I always see that they look so good when you cook them in the pressure cooker. Okay, this one's not too bad. Okay, not too bad. Let's keep going. Already starting off bad. Uh-oh. That one's not the prettiest, but it's not too bad. Come on. Oh my goodness, this is horrible. My God. Look at this poor hard-boiled egg. Oh, poor egg. I'm so sorry. so cute. How was your nap? Besitos? Besitos? No. You're so cute. Mommy loves you. He's so happy right now. The eggs are done. Some came out so pretty, while others not so much. I also have my ground meat mixture with the beans. It's all ready. I'm just letting it cool down before I put it in the fridge. So now moving on to the cheese. This is mild cheddar cheese. This is from Costco. Every month when I go, I always buy a bunch of these because I like to open it, obviously. And this cheese I'm actually gonna cut into cubes so that we can snack on it, because we all love cheese in this house. Like every single one of us, even Lily Pad, our cat, which is probably not very good for her. But yes, I just cut it up into small pieces, small cubes, put it in an airtight container, and it lasts us probably the longest, maybe like 2 weeks, because we like a lot of cheese. And then sometimes it lasts us like a week and a half or so. So this is a delicious snack along with the carrots, some hummus, some fruit maybe, or like some salami, pepperoni, you know, all that kind of stuff. So good. Do you guys love cheese? Let me know in the comments below. We love cheese. I have to say my favorite cheese is provolone cheese, which I barely get. I also love Monterey Jack cheese. Oh my gosh, that cheese is so good, but I hardly ever buy it. Constant in this house, we always buy cheddar, and we always buy mozzarella cheese. Always. Cheese. So good. So the last thing we're doing is setting up the crock pot for tonight for our dinner. I'm doing some cracked chicken. I need you guys to be careful, okay? So I have some chicken breast here along with a bar of cream cheese and then a ranch dressing mix. This recipe also calls for bacon, but I don't have any and I'm not going to use it. I never use it. So this is what we're doing. What's wrong? Oh, spit up. Spit up. So I'm just going to throw everything into my crock pot and cook it on low for about 6 hours. Is going on for 6 hours. Show you guys our dinner, but this is what the chicken looks like. I took it out, I shredded it and put it back in here, and I let it cook for another like 15 to 20 minutes. And it's a ton of food. We all already ate, and this is a whole other meal for us. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put this in a Ziploc bag, let it cool down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and freeze it to reuse probably in our next month's meal plan. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it gave you some motivation to do something in your house regarding cooking and getting prepared for the week, because honestly, it makes the biggest difference just getting prepared and having things on hand to just grab and go. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe. I have my Instagram link down below if you guys want to go ahead and follow me on there. With all that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Did you like your dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah? What did you eat today?
Lightning McQueen.
You ate Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Was he good?
I did not eat him.
You did not eat him, no. What did you eat?
Toys.
You ate toys? You're being a silly boy.